Hi everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how do you upload YouTube Shorts from your PC. So it's pretty much straightforward. What you have to do is you just have to make sure that you have a vertical video in the ratio of 9:16 and it's less than 60 seconds. So once you have the video ready on your laptop or your PC, so what you have to do is, as usual, go to that, click on the create option on your channel. So go to once you click on create, click on upload video. So when you get to upload video, so what you have to do here is select the video that you're going to upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select, I've already created a video for shorts, so I'll just use that. So I'll just select that. Okay, so what you have to do here is like how we normally, you just have to follow the same process like how we normally, what we normally do for normal regular uploading of regular videos. So you just have to do the same thing. All right, so once you have fill in your title, your description, like, and your audience and everything like how you normally do. So once fill that all that up, and the only thing that you could do is that on your title try to include a hashtag with shorts, and also in your description also try to include shorts hashtag. So that's the only different bit that you'll do. So just do that. So add those shorts hashtags, and then what you can do is click on next. And here if you want to add these all these cards or anything, it's up to you, you can do that, and then it's just going to do the checks. All right, so once you do that, just okay, and then when you get to the visibility, so you can choose whatever that you want to, whether you want to put it as public or private, whatever it is. So you can do that. So I'll just put mine as public, that's fine, and then just want to publish it. Yep. So once published, if you go to your channel and if you check at shorts here, go to the shorts tab. So you should see, yep, so I've got the video that I just uploaded here. So it's under shorts. So which means so it's under shorts. So what happens is normally as long as you have the videos right, and the with the right ratio, and a vertical video within the duration, then YouTube will automatically convert the video into as shorts. So what you can do is just add those hashtags and upload it as how we normally upload a regular videos, and that's how it is. And that's how you upload a shorts video on YouTube from your PC. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.